This may continuation in Rule 10. Section I. A vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any vessel following a traffic lane. Section J. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or sailing vessel shall not impede the safety passage of power-driven vessel following a traffic lane. Section K. A vessel restricted or her ability of maneuver when engaged a supervision for the maintenance of safety of navigation traffic supervision schemes excepted from complying with these rules to the extent necessary to carry out of operation. Section L. A vessel restricted on her ability to maneuver when engaged in operation for the laying, servicing, or picking up a submarine cable within a traffic supervision schemes is exempted from complying with these rules to the next extent necessary to carry out the operation.